So, we talked about brand personality, and tying into that is your brand voice. Your brand voice is how your brand sounds when it communicates. It is the words you use, the tone you use, and how you say things. Your brand voice doesn't stand on its own. It is shaped by your mission, vision, purpose, values, and personality. Your personality is how your brand comes across. Your voice is how that personality sounds in words. Let's use the bakery example again. If a brand personality is warm, friendly, and welcoming, their brand voice might sound like freshly baked bread made with care for you and your family. Now, if we compare that to another brand personality that is fast, modern, and convenience focused, that voice might sound like quick, fresh, and ready when you are. Same product, different voice. Now, let's keep defining your brand voice simple. First ask, how should you sound? Friendly, professional, playful? Then check what tone fits your brand personality. Does it match how your brand feels? And lastly, how do you want people to feel when they read or hear from you? Comforted, excited, inspired? Another helpful way to define your brand voice is to use this structure. We are this, not this. For example, we are friendly, not overly casual. We are professional, not corporate. We are confident, not arrogant. This can help create some clarity if needed. Just to sum up, your brand voice is how your brand sounds, communicates, and expresses itself through words. It should align with your personality, values, and audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.